So Codex is a great tool, and it's become even better after introduction a new generation of GPT models, Luna, Terra, and so. But what is the current problem with this? As you can see here, it is really hard to identify and choose the right model for specific task. And additionally, in Codex, it is really hard to jump between methods. Another issue which we have currently, you cannot just simply prompt something to do. You actually can, but it won't be too efficient. My workflow, for example, consists on several prompts where I can define like, okay, what is the issues, why we need it, provide the list of possible guidance. Then I ask, look at the idea below, how we can make it better, can we improve the plan, produce. So I decided how it can be improved, and that's why I invented a Brain Hands tool. It's approved gate, Brain Hands, and verified orchestration for Codex project. What is the main idea? Instead of jumping between models manually and trying to play with prompts, we have a few roles here. Brain, which is explore problem and propose the implementation plan. This is the most smartest model. Then Hands, which implement improved work. This is the medium or lowest model, and verifier, which verifies the results. So I use here for demonstration GitHub flow, and I created this solar project to demonstrate possibilities of Brain Hands. And you can see here how Brain Hands operate. Basically, it creates the issues with proper labels and tags, and each issues contain some detailed information in machine-readable spec, what should be implemented in which way, and then this spec passed to the Hands model, which is not so smart, but they can follow this spec format and produce an update about the implementation. As soon as Hands is finished, next step is verifier, which will verify it and ask for update for Hands if needed. It also produces the review in machine-readable specs and pass it to Hands. And as a result, these roles work together until the task will be fully implemented or until they reach the budget. And finally, the live demonstration. Demonstration is quite simple. I have a project which I would like to run and test, and basically to use Brain Hands, it's as easy as never. We just need to specify, use this Brain Hands tool, and Codex will do everything for you. So I just paste this example prompt and then try to run it inside my project which never used Brain Hands before. So Codex understand what I'm going to use brain skills and going to initialize it. And propose the plan. So as you can see, it says the roles which will be used for Brain Hands and verifier and other important parameters like limit of reviews, replan attempts, quality gates, should we use nested subagents or no, maximum model invocation and workflow attempts, total token use, and active time usage.